Hello children, myself PK Bhattacharya. Let's start a new chapter. Let's read and learn this poem, A Watering Rhymes. Early in the morning or the evening hours are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Children, let's explanations. In the first stanza, the poet suggests us that the best time to water the plant is in the morning or in the evening time. We should not water the plants at noontime or sunny day when the sun is on the top, because at that time the surrounding becomes very hot and it may cause the plants to die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heats, the flowers will have waters for their thirsty feet. In the second stanza, the poet says that we should water at the root because it absorbs water from roots, not branches or flowers. If we water on branches or flowers, then water would unnecessarily spread over it and it does not help the plants to soak. Only ground soak it. This poem is composed by P.A. Ropes. Now the new words hour, watering, noonday, boots, soap, heat. Now new words and its meaning. Word hour meaning a period of 60 minutes. Watering to give water to plants. Noonday the middle of the day. Boots that covers the foot and ankle. Soap to make something completely wet. Heat the feeling of something hot. Reading is fun. What is the best time to water the plants? The best time to water the plants is early in the morning or in the evening. Question 2. When should we not water the plants? Answer. We should not water the plants at noonday when the sun is high. Question 3. Which part of the plants should be watered? The plant should be watered at the roots. Word building. Place letters in their right order to form the names of flowers. P-A-E-T-W-E-E-S. Sweet pea. M-R-A-I-D-O-L-G. Marigold. J-M-I-N-E-A-S. Jasmine. T-L-O-U-S. Lotus. A-R-G-O-M. Mogra. D-H-A-A-I-L. Dahlia. X-O-L-H-P. Phlox. A-N-S-P-Y. Pansy. B-I-S-I-H-C-U-S. Hibiscus. Let's talk. Question 1. Do you have a garden at home? Answer. Yes, I have a garden at home. Question 2. Name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house? Answer: marigold, sunflower, hibiscus, jasmine, lily, etc. Question third. Give another word for thirsty feet. Answer: another word for thirsty feet is roots. Question 4. What happens when we water plants in the morning? Choose the answer. They will grow well. B. They will dry up. Answer. A. They will grow well. Question 5. From where do flowers get water? A. From the bottom roots. B. From the top leaves. Answer A. From the bottom under bracket roots. Pick out the silent letters from these words. Words hour. Here the silent word is H. In often T. In right W. In a neat K. In a no K. In a knife K. In wrong W. In a night GH. In high GH. In doubt B. In could L. In what L. Let's write rhyming words for the words given below. Word: a morning, rhyming word evening, car for high sigh, boots roots, heat seat, where hair. Word like morning, evening, watering end in the ing. Write 6 more words to which ing can be added at the end to form a new words. Words are playing, singing, jumping, bringing, laughing, cooking. Look for words in the poem which sound like the words given below. Are, our, there, flower, flower, where, sun, true. Sentences below, the capital letters, commas, full stops, and question mark are missing. Put these in the correct places. A. On Monday, I will go to school. Children, here, wherever there needs capital letters, commas, or full stops, it is written in red color. On Monday, comma, I will go to school. Full stop. B. Rahim, Ravi, and Raju are going to see the circus. Rahim, comma, Ravi and Raju are going to see the circus. Full stop. C. Sita, where are you looking? Sita, comma, where are you looking? Sign of interrogations. D. The tailor went to the market. Mr. Singh. The tailor went to the market. Mr. Full stop. Singh. E. Every Sunday I go for a walk, have breakfast, read storybooks, listen to music and watch television. Every Sunday, comma, I go for a walk, comma, have breakfast, comma, read storybooks, comma, listen to music and watch television. Full stop. F. Lakshmi, why are you crying? Lakshmi, put comma, why are you crying? Sign of interrogative. G. What is the color of the sky? What is the color of the sky? Interrogative sign. H. Oranges, mangoes, bananas, and papayas are fruits. Oranges, put comma, mangoes, comma, bananas, and papayas are fruits. That's all. Thank you.